Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a very new recipe for you guys. Today we're going to make this tasty corn kebab. I know that most of the people don't know about these kebab, but once you're gonna eat them, you're gonna absolutely love them. So without wasting our time, let's get into the video. So in an empty bowl, I'm gonna add 4 mashed potatoes. I have taken medium-sized potatoes and boiled them, and after that I have mashed them. With that, I'm going to add 1 cup of corn. Sweet corn basically, so it's available on any supermarket and frozen things, so you can just take them and boil it. After that, once it's boiled and it's like soft, so you can add it. With that, I have taken some chopped green chilies. I have taken green chilies and after that I've chopped them. Add chilies according to those spices you like. Now I'm going to add salt and add salt as per your taste as well. And I've taken 1 tablespoon black pepper. So I've taken 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. As far as mentioned before, you can add it according to your preference. Okay, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of corn flour in it. Once we're done with corn flour, we're gonna add cheddar cheese. 1 slice of cheddar cheese is more than enough. So I'm gonna cut my slice into smaller pieces like small rectangles and gonna put it into the mixture. You can also add mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese, whatever you have. I won't say that just go and buy cheddar cheese, it's compulsory, you can replace it. With that, I'm going to mix all of these very well. I'm gonna mix it with a fork. So while I'm mixing all the ingredients, why don't you just go and subscribe to my channel. Once you have subscribed to my channel, you'll see a bell icon over there. Just hit that if you really want my new videos to reach you on the first go. Once all the ingredients are mixed, it's gonna look like a dough type mixture. So I'm gonna take flakes, corn flakes, 1 cup into a bowl. I'm gonna crush it roughly. So you can also grind it into a grinder with the help of a grinder, but that's gonna make a powder mixture. Just because I have crushed it roughly, it's gonna make your kebab more crispy. For slurry, I have taken a bowl. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. With that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I'm gonna say one thing, that all-purpose flour is not white flour. You're gonna find all-purpose flour on any supermarket as well. Now I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon salt. With that, I'm going to take 1/4 teaspoon red chili flakes basically, and I'm gonna add water. Do not add the whole amount of water at once. Add it partially. Add it according to the consistency we need. Mix all the ingredients well, and you can see the consistency should be like this. Now I'm gonna take my mixture. With the help of my hand, I'm gonna take this mixture and gonna make it into a oval shape, just like an egg shape. You can also shape it according to your liking. Now I'm gonna place a stick into my kebab. I'm gonna tap and bend the kebab perfectly on my stick, like it's quite sticky with my stick, and the stick does not get out of the kebab. I'm gonna take more kebab, the second one. Make the kebab once all your batter is done. Now our kebabs are ready, not to fry but to coat. For the coating, I'm gonna take the slurry what I've made before and the crushed flakes. I'm gonna put slurry onto my kebab, or gonna dip the kebab into my slurry. After that, I'm gonna put the cornflakes, the crushed cornflakes, onto my kebab. Again, these cornflakes are gonna make your kebab more crispy. Now I'm gonna do the same procedure with all of my kebabs. And once you're done with all of these kebabs, they're ready to fry. Here I would like to mention that all the cornflakes should be stick properly onto your kebab. That's why we are putting it into slurry first and then into crushed cornflakes. You can also shake it to get rid of excessive cornflakes on it. Those are not stick properly. So once you're done with all of these kebabs, these are ready to fry. Now I'm gonna take some oil into a pan and let it to get hot. 2 cups of oil I've taken. preheated it, and I'm gonna put my kebabs into it one by one. I've placed 2 because there was a lot placed into my pan. Remember to turn the sides of the kebab with the help of a fork or a spoon, making sure these kebabs are fried from each side properly. Once you can see the color turns out to be golden brown and it looks crispy, you can take them out of the pan. Remember to take precautions while taking them out of the pan. So I have fried all of my kebabs one by one, and once these all are done, you can place it onto a dish. You can present it in front of your guests and also eat it with chili sauce, ketchup or mayo as far as your taste. I'm gonna eat it with chili sauce and enjoy these tasty corn kebab. Do make it at home, enjoy this recipe and let me know about it. If you really like this recipe and you think it's new for you, just hit the like button. Try it at home. Do mention it in the comment that whether you like it or not. Share it with your friends and let them know with delicious homemade recipes. Goodbye and have a nice day.